Hi, hello there. My name is Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. In today's video, we are reviewing the Colourpop Sailor Moon palette.
If you insist.
As well as the Sailor Moon blush. The eyeshadow palette retails for $20. The blush retails for $12. These are absolutely adorable. They just came in the mail a couple hours ago and I can't wait to share my thoughts and opinions on these with you guys, as well as this eye look that I created today using this palette. As well as the palette and the blush, I did purchase these Colourpop fake eyelashes in the shade Mammy. They're obviously not in the box right now because they are on my eyes. The eyelashes retail for $8. And I purchased the new Colourpop Freckle pen. And the Freckle pen also retails for $8. I do fake freckles almost every single day. So when they came out with this, I was super excited to try it out. And today I'll be trying it out with you guys. So if you'd like to see how to get this look and my thoughts and opinions on all of this Colourpop stuff that I purchased, then keep on watching. And before we get into this look, I will go ahead and do swatches of all of these shades on my arm here for you. And here are all of the shades from the Sailor Moon palette swatch. Alright, with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this look. Alright, so as you can tell, I already have a full face of makeup on. That's why I look strange. We're gonna go ahead and get into the palette. I haven't even opened it up yet. This is so cute. I'm so excited to play with this. Alright, so this is what the actual palette looks like. So cute. The front of the packaging is like holographic, I guess you could say. On the back of it, you have all of these shade names. And here's the inside of the palette. It doesn't come with a mirror. You have all 12 beautiful shades. And then above the shades, you have Sailor Moon with a really pretty iridescent crescent moons. The packaging on this is absolutely stunning. A+ for packaging. So cute. So I did already go ahead and prime my eyes with my P. Louise eyeshadow primer base. The first shade I'm going to take from this palette is the shade Moon Castle on a Morphe M535 brush, and just use this as the transition shade and place it all in my crease. Alright, now the next shade I want to take is the shade Tuxedo Rose on a MAC 217 brush and place this right in my crease. Okay, so those shades literally took no time at all. Alright, the next shade I'm going to take is the shade Love on a Morphe M152 brush and just place this right on my outer corner. Now for the center of my eye, I really want to take the shade Mare Serenitatis. I can't read, but I'm going to take this super pretty sparkly shade and place this right on the center of my lid. And I'm just using my finger for this. Oh, that glitter is absolutely stunning. Stunning. Now for the inner corner, I'm taking the shade Silver Millennium on a Laura Lee Los Angeles L16 brush and just placing this right in the inner corner. Now for the lower lash line, I'm taking the shade Justice on a Morphe M506 brush and just placing this right all along my lower lash line. Okie dokie, now we're gonna add a wing for eyeliner today. I'm using my Wet n Wild Megaliner. This is just in the shade Black. Now for mascara, I recently picked up the Lancome Monsieur Big. mascara. I think that's how it's pronounced. I picked this up from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, and it was like half off. I believe it was like 13 bucks. And I actually really enjoy it. I was pleasantly surprised. Would I buy this at full price? No. Alright, along with the Sailor Moon palette, I also picked up one of the Sailor Moon blushes. This is absolutely adorable. The packaging on it is also holographic, just like the eyeshadow is, and this is so cute. I did put a little bit on earlier, but I think I just need a little bit more. Okay, cute. For eyelashes, I did pick up some eyelashes from Colourpop. I got these in the shade Mammy. I think that's how it's pronounced. I love the packaging that this comes in. It comes in like a magnetic box, so that's super nice for whenever you're not using them. You can just put them in here and they won't get all crusty. Alright, while those are drying, I picked up the Colourpop Freckle pen. This is in the shade Soft Brown. I'm so excited to use this. I love freckles. I do fake freckles almost every day. So when I saw they came out with this and it was back in stock, I went ahead and picked it up. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute, clean, fresh, just like all of Colourpop's other stuff. Before I apply this, I'm just going to test it out on my arm. Not sure if you guys can see this, but it is pretty pigmented and it looks natural. I'm just going to do a line. Yeah, it looks really natural. So let's see. Okay, you can't really blend it out or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in so you can see this. So these freckles have more of a gray undertone to them rather than a red undertone that I typically go for. You can't really blend them out or anything. I do like the precision of this. The precision is really nice. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the color. I'd rather have freckles with a red undertone to them rather than a gray undertone. That's just my personal preference. That's just what I like. So I don't know about this. Okay, now I'm applying the lashes. Wow. Wow, okay, so that really took this look to a whole other level. I love these eyelashes. Yes, please. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I really like the way everything came together. I really enjoyed using this eyeshadow palette and I fully intend on using it more in the future. I'm so happy I was able to pick it up. It is so cute and I really enjoyed it. I also really enjoyed the matching blush. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but the shade I got is the shade Cat's Eye. And it's a very pretty blush. It has a little bit of sparkle to it, which I enjoy in my blushes. So if you're into that, then I would highly recommend picking this up. And as for the eyelashes, I absolutely love these. I didn't think I was going to like them as much as I do, but I really do like them. I think they just added a lot to this look and I really enjoy them and I'm definitely going to be using them more in the future. So the only thing I didn't really enjoy, which kind of really let me down, is the Colourpop Freckle pen. I love fake freckles. I do fake freckles every single time I do my makeup. I had high hopes for this, but it just didn't hit the mark for me. I wish this was more of a red toned freckle pen than a gray toned one. That's just my personal preference. It also didn't really blend out the way I wanted it to, like my other freckle tint does. Those are just personal preferences. Aside from that, it's good. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Everything that I have on my face will be linked in the description box down below, as well as all of my social medias. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.